On March 24, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for an exhaust making excessive noise.
Hello, Deputy Road Lake County Sheriff's Office. How you doing? The reason I'm stopping you is your exhaust. You can't have your exhaust any louder than the way it comes from the factory. You got your driver's license, registration, insurance in there?
I got it. I brought it back.
Okay, I got you.
I say it's a ticket for that, for the exhaust?
You could. I can tell you right now I'm not giving you a ticket for it. Are you the registered owner of this vehicle? Okay. Put the car in park, shut it off for me. Can you hand me the keys real quick?
Yeah.
Alright, just sit tight. So it smells like 31. The passenger has a big bulge in his pocket. When he pulled out his wallet, he was trying to like hold something in there.
Is that the keys of the car?
If you want to take him and search it, because it reeks of weed.
What's up? My mom, she wants.
For what?
Huh?
For what?
I don't know. She just.
Right. I'll talk to her in a minute.
I'm sorry.
Do you mind if I pat you down for weapons or anything?
Say that again?
Do you mind if I pat you down for weapons or anything?
Yeah.
Just turn around for me. Oh, what's in your pocket right here? Is it keys?
This is a charger.
Do you mind to take it out for me, put it on the hood? Or just have a seat on the bumper for me?
Can I step out the car, sir? This traffic stop. Alright, so what I'm trying to figure out is.
You have anything on you?
No, sir. Come on.
No weapons, no.
No.
Nothing illegal on you?
Yes, keys.
Okay.
Keys, stop touching me, no, sir.
Come over here.
I am. I'm gonna stick there. Come over here. Come on. We right here. You don't have to touch me, sir. Put your hands on the car.
Zero.
Stop.
I'm not doing that, sir. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing.
Don't move. He's got something clipped on the front of his pants.
I saw it. How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
19 years old, sir.
You got any other weapons on you?
No, sir.
That's all you got on you?
That's all I got. I don't got that. Can I ask a question, dude?
In a minute.
I get my baby mom number. I get her number.
What is it?
I get my baby mom number.
Yeah.
What?
Huh?
For what?
That's what I'm saying. Y'all, the same, right?
100%.
Yeah.
You're 19 years old and you got a handgun on you.
Reaching in your pocket.
Huh?
And you're reaching in your pocket while you're walking towards deputies. Not good.
I'm saying, but I'm not bothering anybody. I ain't messing with no one.
Don't matter.
I know I'm saying, y'all say we got pulled for, this what I'm saying, dude. Y'all say we got pulled for what? What did we get pulled
He's the one that
This
pulled you
one-
over. Okay? You're 19 years old. You got a handgun in your waistband that I'm pretty sure has a switch on it.
Switch.
Yeah. You know what that is.
Talking about a switch.
Yep. You don't know what that is?
Nah.
No, definitely not.
I can't see my phone.
Nope.
Are you on the phone with your mom?
Sister.
Friend?
Sister.
Sister, okay.
You're using it.
2783, like the black male passenger is the one that's tanking. You run a criminal history on him looking for felonies.
your brother or anything? Friend, acquaintance,
Boyfriend.
boyfriend? Okay.
Can I walk to her or she can walk over there?
Not right now.
Can she walk right there?
Just, I mean, she's got a right to get out right there in that parking lot.
She's
But,
gonna walk
but
up.
as far as coming over here, she needs to hold up right now.
Stay over there. You have a test kit available?
We'll get us a second. We'll talk to you. I promise.
Hey, babe. Can I get y'all a number? Both of y'all. Can y'all write me down their numbers?
Not right now.
Regina. Bro, I need y'all numbers, bro.
So we pulled him out. He has a loaded handgun in his waistband. He's not old enough to have a handgun. He's also got what looks like crack in his pocket and a bunch of weed in his pocket. Ski mask and gloves, so it doesn't look super good. Okay?
I'm just being real though. What gave y'all the cause to bother me though? If y'all already start her for this is a traffic stop, so I know my rights. I'm just saying, what did y'all bother me for though?
Because
And I'm just need everything from camp.
because the car smells like marijuana.
Okay,
and we're
well,
pulling you
pull
and
it
her
over.
out of it to go search it because it smells like marijuana. And when you stepped out, that deputy noticed you had a handgun stuffed in your waistband or pocket or whatever, and that's why you're putting handcuffs. Okay?
Like, honestly, none of anything that would or can be in the car is not my sister's problem. She was just the driver.
And she's not in trouble for anything other than she's probably going to get a ticket for a driver's license. That's it.
Do me a favor and have a seat.
Make sure you got nothing else on him.
I ain't got nothing else.
You got nothing else in
No,
your
I
pocket?
don't have nothing.
You got nothing in your hood?
Excuse me, so can y'all do this just one thing for me, though, at least? I ain't been a jack. I'm asking you guys. Can y'all just get my can y'all get both of their numbers for me?
We'll do that.
Sure. Have a seat.
Can you get my mom number on my phone for me too? It's either y'all let me do it or the county jail let me do it.
Yeah. Is the camera on?
2783, like copy of 0 number around.
Calling our friends at ATF.
With hollow points in it, too.
And he has gloves and a
Ski mask.
ski mask.
Do that call real quick. I'll be up there in just a second.
I ain't doing no just trying. Huh?
What are you
Get
doing?
over. Get
Get over here.
So I'm not listening. So I'm not listening. So I'm not trying to. I'm literally.
Oh, you're
No, listen. You're not going to be talking to anybody. Quit beating on the windows. Okay? You got gloves with you?